If you're looking for the ultimate machinery power tool combo, AEG has got you sorted. Check out the AEG 18V FUSION Brushless 6-piece heavy machinery 5-amp force kit. The heavy duty tools you need to service your gear. There's not much that'll stand in the way of the FUSION 3/4 inch high torque impact wrench with an impressive 2200 Newton meters of nut busting torque. It also has an auto type mode, so it's equipped for the small jobs too. That said, when some serious intervention is required, the FUSION 125mm angle grinder is ready to make the cut. It's loaded with safety features like an electronic disc brake, anti-kickback detection, and a dead man paddle switch to look after you. The 450-gram 2-speed grease gun delivers a maximum of 10,000 PSI. Enough pressure to push out old built-up grease and replace it with fresh lubricant with practically no effort from you. With a 2-speed gearbox and a preset 15-setting dosage dial, it's easy to control and apply the correct amount of grease consistently. Of course, it wouldn't be a powerhouse combo without our 18V FUSION heavy-duty hammer drill. With an impressive 141 Newton meters of torque, this powerhouse delivers exceptional performance, perfect for drilling augers into stubborn fence posts, big hole saws, or even the odd masonry anchor. It's able to deliver this thanks to the next generation FUSION brushless motor, which provides superior runtime and durability in those heavy-duty applications. Safety is paramount, which is why we've added the anti-kickback feature for your peace of mind. The LED will flash in quick succession when the anti-kickback is engaged. Next, we have the 18V FUSION 4-mode impact driver. With up to 260 Newton meters of torque, this impact driver is a force to be reckoned with, making it perfect for batten screws and tech screws. The 4-mode control panel gives you the flexibility to choose the preset speeds and torque settings. And with its compact size of just 128mm, it's great to maneuver into tight spaces. The 18V LED compact torch with a pivoting head and 340 lumens is perfect to light up those tight spaces. Power and runtime go hand in hand. That's why we've included two 18V 5-amp force batteries in this kit. These batteries communicate to our FUSION tools to provide increased power and extended runtime. And when it's time to charge, our 18V dual port simultaneous rapid charger has got you covered. Charging both batteries at the same time, it's compatible with any 18V lithium-ion battery in the AEG range. Don't miss out on the AEG 18V FUSION Brushless 6-piece heavy machinery 5-amp force kit.